Audio Jungle.
Today we have a ride in a CF-18. I'm a passenger. Getting this kind of opportunity, I just don't understand. These are the little small achievements that I get to do and make it. Many times I wonder, is it real or not? It is quite amazing.
Hi, I'm Rick.
Zahir.
Zahir, nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
So you're going up, eh?
Yeah, you've been there already.
A bunch of years ago, yeah. Yeah.
Tell me the secrets, the insides.
It was fun.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's exactly like you'd imagine.
Rick Mercer from CBC TV has got his own show. He's coming to the base to make a 1-hour special on the Race the Base event. He's joining me as well. We are both going to be up in the CF-18 in our own jets, I think. And it should be a good day.
990, Holotar, wind 06814, runway 8 left, clear, takeoff.
This morning, my wife and my children, Shahid, Natasha, my nephew, Rahim, they are making an effort to be on the base by lunchtime so they can see me take off after lunch, and they're quite excited. They're a little nervous, but I'd love to see them, and I think it's going to be great.
Your fan club is here. Look at this, you got a fan. You look so Top Gun. I like this.
I'm digging the suit, it looks good on you.
I'm so happy that they're going to be there for me. I hope it turns out to be a good experience and that my family's proud of me.
Right now you're at 10FTTS, the school Center of Excellence for Instructing Students. Today what we'll be covering is we'll have a PowerPoint of what to do before ejecting from an aircraft, what to do after ejecting from the aircraft and get ready to land on the ground, and what to do if you have to do an emergency egress to get out of an aircraft in a hurry on the ground.
Audio Jungle.
So whenever you want to do anything in life, the idea is it all starts with a dream.
Command 11 ground, taxi runway 13 left, altimeter 2964, departure cable up.
To see if you get oxygen, and then you're going to flip the switch to 100%. At that point, it's going to force feed you oxygen.
Audio Jungle.
The ultimate speed ride is what I'm going to have today. Twice the speed of sound, supersonic. I think I'm on the moon already. I haven't even gone in there yet.
We're just about to climb into the airplane and get strapped in, start her up, get some airco, and taxi out and go fly for a bit.
And Mark is going to show me what speed's all about, so we'll find out.
Zahir's getting his first ride in the backseat of the F-18, so he's seen the speed in his Enzo, he's getting a chance to see the speed in 3 dimensions from our side of the cockpit.
Zahir is taken to the skies. This is a new frontier. ZR Air.
ZR Air.
They just need to paint that jet yellow and we're good. Yeah.
Departure is band 1, Amor, passing 2,200. Hit 911, flight school late, terminal for 3 cancel, turn left, climb 310 degree radio, climb to south on top. Let's climb on top, hit band 1.
The hardest part about going in the CF-18 was the training. For me, it made me very nervous, but once I got over that and I got in the jet, that was easy.
So, how are you feeling?
It was different.
Okay, you ready for a bit more, G?
A little bit, yes, sure.
Let's give it a try. Yeah, there's some power in this thing. That was 60.
Wow.
This thing doesn't give up, right? It will give whatever you ask for it.
Acceleration I don't mind, it's the turning of the jets making me queasy.
Yeah, it is an unnatural feeling. You do good?
Okay.
You want to fly a bit?
Sure.
Okay. So if you hold the stick and your left hand on the throttles.
Bingo. Bingo.
Okay. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I think I'm at my maximum threshold.
And we're gonna make our way back to the base now.
Audio
Yeah,
Jungle.
like I said, we're running out of fuel fast.
Hitman 11, you'll be number 2, right, follow F-18, short final.
Audio Jungle.
Schooling Terminal 1, UHF guard, Hitman 11, contact. Rana 57, aircraft all perfect.
It was totally different kind of speed. I think we did about what? The G-force is just about 6.
Yep.
And the knots was about 800.
Yeah, 850 at altitude
850, yeah.
and about 600 low level.
You did it!
Yeah, I did it.
Did you fly it?
Yeah, I flew a little bit, yeah.
So flips?
He did a few flips, yeah.
So excited.
This is an experience I think I will never forget. Just another add-on. It was truly fascinating. The skies, the open air feeling, and this is something that Zahir would never have done in his life if it wasn't for the Canadian Air Force.
So you're truly a Top Gun.
Yeah, East Indian.
Did you have to listen to the
East
music?
Indian
Did you
Tom
have to
Cruise. It was never on my bucket list like owning a Ferrari or having the Enzo, but one of the reasons why it wasn't on my bucket list was I never knew in my life I would ever encounter a relationship with the Canadian Air Force, that they will offer me one of these magnificent rides as a treat of being a contributor to the program. Until tonight, I have collected for them $70,000 to give to the Soldiers Fund. I brought the check with me. I will present it to them tomorrow morning.
May 3rd, 2010, while overseas, I was hit by an IED, killed a teammate of mine, and I was severely wounded. Unfortunately, the Military Family Fund is only by donations, and it's being depleted extremely fast. The goal is to raise $2,500. 2 years ago, we did 16 grand, and this year we're already well over the $2,500, and that's basically what it's for.
By the weekend is over, I have some ideas about how to make some more money while I'm on the runway, and some programs that I have in mind that I know I will probably try to get them a little over $100,000 as a contribution from Zahir and ZR and my friends and clients to make in this event a successful one, so it helps some people.